Hello, crypto world. Welcome to the Chart Historian. My name is Justin, and on this channel, I delve deep into crypto charts, exploring chart structures, fractals, and patterns. In this video, I'm going to talk about why the XRP market cap is going to explode. I'm going to use the XRP dominance chart to show this. Now, this is the dominance of the overall market cap. So right now, you can see that XRP is hovering around 2% of the total crypto market cap. So if we jump over to the total crypto market cap chart, we can see that it is currently around $1.684 trillion. So this number is the total number of all cryptocurrencies put together, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that. This is the big enchilada. Now, the XRP dominance chart shows what percentage of that total market cap consists of the XRP market cap. So only 2.03%. It is a very small amount. To put that in dollars, so if we jump over here to the XRP market cap, we can see the market cap roughly sits around $34.218 billion. Sounds like a big number, but in the grand scheme of things, compared to the overall crypto market cap, it is a small percentage. Now, it is my belief that this is set to change, and here's why. Okay, so this is the dominance chart, the XRP dominance chart, and it is zoomed out. You can see the very beginning over here in 2014 all the way to present. Right off the bat, you can see how it moves up and then kind of winds its way down to a point. It moves up again and winds its way down to a point, and this part goes flat. Now, I want to delve into this structure and examine it further, and in so doing, I'm going to make my case why this chart is set to explode. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken this declining structure and I've divided it into separate, smaller structures or substructures. It starts with the peak here and ends with the trough down here, and it goes from 1 to 9. So what I would like to do next is I would like to take this whole entire structure and copy and paste it over here. Okay, so here is that second box. So we have a move up on the chart, and then it slowly works its way down. Now, what I've done is I've taken this part of the chart and I've copied and pasted it over here. In other words, I took Fractal 1 with its sharp decline, and I copy and pasted it. Now, I adjusted it to match the size, height, and timing of this part of the chart over here. And the reason why I've done that is because every time a fractal repeats, the timing, the height, and the depth, those will always be original. So that allows for a structure or a fractal to play out on a larger scale or a smaller scale, or part of a structure to be larger or smaller than other parts of the structure. So as you can see, I go through this entire structure and I copy and paste it over here. So for instance, 2 right here, let's zoom in and get a better look. So you can see that 2 does a bounce right here. Well, we have that same bounce over here. We go through this entire structure. The 3 was much larger than this 3, this bounce right here. 4 over here, it moves up, and then it's not all larger. For instance, this move up right here, 5, it was very small, the move up part, but the overall declining part was much larger. This one was a lot steeper. This one did not drop as much. And remember, timing, height, and depth, those are always going to be original. So this lack of a drop on this side allows this part to go flat, whereas this over here continued to have more substantial declines, which led to a more declining structure overall as opposed to going flat, although it does do some flat parts like right there. And we see that over here as well. This was the part that went flat on the first structure, structure 8. Let's zoom in a little closer so we can get a better look. Now, it's not exact. There's deviations, there's the timing, height, and depth, they're unique. But overall, it does the basic idea of what it should be doing. So that brings us to where we are today, number 9. We are actually at the very end of this structure, or very near the end. Now, let's zoom out. So here I am zoomed out, and as you can see, we once again have winded all the way down to almost the point where the next big thing that takes place is going to be this move up again. This is a repetitive structure. So let's talk about this move up. Okay, so I removed the boxes. What I'd like to do next is I'd like to measure these moves up that have taken place so we can maybe get a rough idea of what we could expect over here. Okay, so I've placed a percentage measuring tool on these moves up, and you can see that these moves up are substantial. This one is over 3,000%. Again, this one is over 3,000%. So if we have something similar in kind, this would be a very, very, very large move up that would literally just suck money from the cryptocurrency market. It would be, this XRP would become a black hole where it just sucked in money from all over the cryptocurrency universe. What I'd like to do next is I would like to show where these aggressive moves up correspond to the XRP chart. Okay, so on the bottom here, I have the XRP chart, and above I have the dominance chart. So as you can see, this first move up right here that corresponds with this took place in December 2014. So this was early on in the XRP history. This second time that it takes place over here in 2017, in May of 2017. It's not even this massive, massive move up where the current all-time high is at. Okay, so here I am on the XRP market cap, and the first time the dominance shot up in that first peak, the market cap, the XRP market cap, rose over 4,000%, folks. Now, this is measured from the trough to the peak. Now, I may be missing the exact trough and peak, and this is true of all of these measurements, but this is, for the most part, pretty right on, and it's a massive move. Let's examine the next time this took place. Okay, so the next time this takes place, from the trough down here all the way to the peak, which is way up here, is over 7,600% increase in the market cap. So this was a monster of a move. This one is larger than this one, which is the current all-time high. This one was roughly 1,500% rise. I could be off a little bit on that. Even though it looks smaller, this was a massive, massive move. And that is why on the crypto dominance, this all-time high looks like this. So it's nothing in comparison to this. So this move up, whether it was here or here, this is unique. It is something that has only happened 2 times in XRP's history. Let's jump back over to the market cap. So here we are back on the XRP market cap. Now let's say something like this was to take place again these first 2 times. This is the first one over here. It's invisible almost. Here's the second one. This one was 7,600+% increase. This one was over 4,000% increase. I am not going to be moon boy like that. I am going to play it much more conservative. So say it went up 1,500%. That would roughly put a market cap of 530 something billion. Now, if you jump over here to Forbes.com, you can see, could XRP reach $10? And if you click here, it is roughly a 520 billion market cap at 1,500% increase. That would definitely be in that ballpark. Now, again, I'm not saying that this is the price it's going to go to. I don't know. It could go lower. It can go higher. I'm just saying that we are at a point on the dominance chart where a drastic move up a move up that has only taken place 2 other times in XRP's history is set to take place in the near future. So all of those arguments that you hear that the market cap of XRP is only $34 billion, know that what we are getting ready to do is going to change the game. A $10 XRP, as you can see over here at 1,500% increase, is much, much smaller than the increases that took place over here of 7,000% plus and 4,000%. So there is some excitement that is going to take place in the next bull run. This bull run is not like the previous bull runs that we have experienced. The only other time we can compare to was this one that took place in May 2017, and this one that took place in 2014. What we are going to experience will be similar to these most likely. So there you have it, folks. That is my video. So for all those arguments showing such a low market cap and using the market cap as a reason why XRP cannot hit $10, I hope I just blew that out of the water. Of course, this is talking about future performance. And another thing, you cannot use today's market cap to judge a future bull run price where the market cap would rise. That is not a correct way to compare. You need to compare either same times in the past or same times in the present, but you cannot compare future to present. Understand? I hope that's clear. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button. I'm not a financial advisor, so this should not be considered financial advice. If you did enjoy this type of technical analysis and you would like to see more of this, and you're not a subscriber, I recommend hitting that subscribe button. I'll continue to follow this chart as it continues to develop. XRP has the potential to be a monster in this coming bull run. There's exciting times ahead. I'm so glad you caught this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.